Hi everyone, welcome to Java Age. Today I will show you how to install a Spring plugin in Eclipse and how to create a Spring Boot project. Let us start. Open Eclipse, click on Help, then click on Eclipse Marketplace. Here in search box, you need to type a Spring Boot, hit enter, click on a Spring Tools for to install. Click on Install button. Click on Restart now. The Eclipse IDE has been restarted and here I am going to show you how to create a Spring Boot project. Click on File, New, Project, Spring Boot. Click on Spring Starter Project. Click on Next. Okay. And project name is my first project. My first project. Okay. Type is Maven. Java version is 17 and group is com.java.is. You can type any group name. Artifact ID is same as project name. Okay, here is the description. You can type any description. I am going to use as by default. And here packaging is com.java.is. You can type any packaging. Okay, click on next. Click on dependencies. Here in search box, you can search any dependency you would like to add in your project. I am going to add a Spring Web. Click on next. Click on finish. Okay, here you can see my first project. Click on this icon, source mains Java. Click on my first project application. And you can see my first project application which has main method. Okay, now I am going to create API. Okay, so to create a API like get mapping, post mapping, we need to add annotation @REST controller. Okay, now type @get mapping slash string welcome return welcome to the Spring Boot project. Okay, now I am going to write another method. Now I am going to write other method slash. I am going to add path variable parameter like name. Okay. Method return type is a string and method name is welcome by name. Welcome by name. Basically, this method is used to take a parameter from path variable and return a string with this name. Okay, so add the rate path variable string name. Okay, return I plus name plus comma welcome to Java is. Okay, it semicolon. Okay, here you can see we have two methods, welcome and welcome by name. Now I am going to run this application. Click on run as a Spring Boot app. Click on OK to save all things. In console, you can see tomcat initialized with port 8080. It is default port. It is the default port. Okay. So now I am going to run this. Now I am going to check this application URL. Type localhost 8080. Hit enter. Here you can see welcome to a Spring Boot project. Now I am going to check by name like Alok. Hit enter. Here you can see hi Alok, welcome to Java is. Okay. You can take any name like Surya. Hi Surya, welcome to Java is. Okay. That's all in this video. I hope you find this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.